Alright guys, I'm out here to do my second video of the day. This one's going to be a video rant. YouTube has decided that anybody with less than 1,000 subscribers cannot be monetized. And if you have 1,000 subscribers, anybody with less than 5,000 minutes or 4,000 minutes, I don't know if that's per month, or 4,000 hours per year, they're going to cut their monetization. Really? You're going to cut the upstarts? Pure and utter crap. I started YouTube back in 2008, 2009, and I told myself that if I didn't have 100 subscribers in a year, I was gonna give it up. But on the 365th day, I hit 100 subscribers. And I think that was the first day I was able to monetize. Now, I had a lot of friends of mine that told me, don't monetize, it's not worth it. Whatever. If it takes you a year to get $100, that helps you buy another camera. That helps you support your own channel. So now YouTube's gonna pull this crap. I just think it's totally pathetic. So, I guess every time I come across a new channel that I'm interested in, I'm going to subscribe them. Just to try and help them get to 1,000 subscribers. So you better be putting out some good videos, or good subject matter, to score that. The way I made my entry into YouTube is I ride a motorcycle and I rode in the snow. Nobody had ever seen that before. Summer hit, video views declined, subscriptions declined, stuff like that. So after 5 or 6 years, I changed up. I went to politics, I went to Navy ship videos, I went to stuff like that, because motovlogging is pretty much dead in my opinion. But, yeah, I think it really sucks for the up-and-comers. And I think YouTube made a huge mistake doing this. So, keep an eye out for the little guy, because YouTube's not going to do it. I will talk to you later.